Hey guys, open houses are really hard to do. They take a lot of work and time, and so setting up takes at least like 30 minutes to 45 minutes because you want as many signs as possible and you want balloons on them, you want exposure, and since it's Parade of Homes week, what we're doing is these really fun swag bags. But look, this is what my car looks like. And we have some casualties, as I said, guys. Look at our balloons, it's so sad. So we have to go get some more. Usually these type of balloons last a week, but it's been windy, it's snowed on us, it's rained. We lost a clip to this one, but you know what? I am prepared. I have zip ties, I have bolt cutters, I have a mallet. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, a hatchet in my trunk, so I'm prepared for anything. So I'm gonna pull out my zip tie and fix this open sign and get at it. Oh, one of my favorite new additions to my collection of signs is this one. Welcome to your new dream home. Who wants to sell a house? I am ready for you.